At industrialgearbox.net, we specialize in the complete rebuild and repair of all major brands, including this SEW Eurodrive helical gear unit. These reliable gearboxes are a staple in many industries. Our job is to get them back in operation quickly and efficiently. Our repair process begins with a full teardown. We inspect every gear and bearing for signs of wear and damage, ensuring that we identify every component that needs to be replaced. After thoroughly cleaning and prepping the housing, we rebuild the unit with new, high-quality parts. Every step of the reassembly is done with precision to ensure that the gearbox is returned to its original factory specifications. The finished product is fully rebuilt, tested, and ready to be put back into service. For expert repair on your SEW Eurodrive gearbox or any industrial gear drive, visit us at industrialgearbox.net.
Straight repair. With us, your gearbox gets the care.